So we're here in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a shutoff valve for a homeowner out here. They asked us to come out and replace this shutoff valve. They're integrated. I think there's only about one company in town that uses these. We don't like them because there's no way to replace the supply line. If it's the supply line or the shutoff valve, it's all one piece. And then additionally, this kind of chews the copper up. It's got stainless steel teeth in there, kind of chews it up when you put it on, and they leak. So, they're fine as long as you don't touch them. You leave them alone. As soon as you try and turn it off or on by pushing it in or pulling it out, it starts dripping, and then you just got to replace it. So, anyways, that's out. New one's in. The shutoff valve was provided by the homeowner. I think they got the Home Depot, Lowe's, or Orchards, one of the big box stores. Those are what we use as well. We also use ProFlow, some other brands, but you can see this quarter turn on, quarter turn off, which is great. So it's a stainless steel ball in there, so no packing nut to worry about. It's compression style, so we cleaned up the copper, got this nut tightened down so the ferrule's sealed. Monitor this area for a period of time. As with all plumbing, check it and make sure a hint of moisture at all. Any moisture, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take a look at it. Supply line is ours. That's a Fluid Master 3/8 by 1/2 inch, a 3/8 OD by 1/2 inch iron pipe connector. It's braided stainless steel. That's all we use in our installations. Like I say, we do use brass craft in some installations. Typically we use a ProFlow or a Matco. There's a lot of different valves that we use, but they're all quarter turn. So anyways, this is installed. We ran some water down it. If you'd like to, if you still have these nylon lines in there, they're fine, but we've seen them burst. But everything looks good right now. So installation is done. Outside of that, we are good.